This is from the civil rights lawyer. It was posted like a year ago. But you guys gotta tell me if I'm tripping. Watch. We're gonna watch the beginning. Just watch.
Oh, I fall asleep.
Yeah.
You want to have me take it?
No, you're going to take the ride today.
Huh?
I think after a certain amount, you should be a felony after a certain amount.
I do too.
After a certain amount of any crime, it should be a felony.
Did you see that? Did you all see that? Did you all see that? Like, let's rewind that. Did you all see that? Like, look at where he grabs his handcuffs from. Just watch.
I think after a certain amount, you should be a felony after a certain amount.
I do too.
After a certain amount of any crime, it should be a felony.
Keeps coming in contact.
Yep.
Doesn't change his ways. What can we do?
What did you see? Tell me. I need to know. Need to hear.